Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, and welcome to VoiceOver Zoe here, talking to you about the 5 surprisingly smart websites as a gift from us to you for this merry season. The 5 websites we're going to go through in this video today aren't ranked from 5 to 1 or anything like that. This is just the order I just happened to put them in. If you love what we do here at Video Confidence Coach, make sure you comment, like, and share the video around, or maybe even subscribe if you like. Now let's get on with our surprisingly smart websites. Website number 5, VirusTotal. VirusTotal is a website that inspects over 70 antivirus scanners and URL domain blacklisting services, in addition to a myriad of other tools to act as a second virus scanner for your computer. Now, of course, this does not trump the one that you've already got logged in and downloaded to your computer already, but it's quite useful if there's a file that you're not entirely sure about that you may have received from someone maybe not as trustworthy, or maybe you just received something that you're not entirely sure if it's safe or not. Putting a file through VirusTotal allows you to see if it's fishy at all, and if you're happy with that file being on your device. Website number 4, Have I Been Pwned? Have I Been Pwned is a website that allows internet users to check whether their personal data has been compromised by data breaches. And as you can guess, we have a lot nowadays. We personally do a quarterly checkup using Have I Been Pwned through all our email addresses, just to check in to see what information has been used on the black web, or making sure if we need to change any of our passwords. We do recommend that you change your passwords regularly, but if you want to make sure that you're a little bit more safe, highly recommend putting your email address or other pieces of information into this website just to see what it comes back out to. Website number 3. Down for Everyone, or Just Me, enables users to check whether the specific website that you're checking out is inaccessible for everyone or only just for you. Hence why it's called Down for Everyone or Just Me. It actually checks if a website is down or not, or if it's just a case of maybe your internet's not working out, or if it's just maybe your computer or a network filter. Website number 2. EveryTimeZonecom. EveryTimeZone is a website that we use regular to find the exact time between different time zones through a visual calculator. Essentially what this does, it enables us to see where it is on our timeline and see where it visually is on someone else's time zone, say for example London or San Francisco or New York. So when it comes to planning meetings or making calls or sending emails that I know need to be responded to quickly, I'm able to just quickly look at this website and see what time zone they're currently in to make sure that my details and the information I'm sending and wanting a reply from relatively quickly is going to make sense, or is it going to be like 3 or 1 a.m. where they are. Website number 1. Rave.DJ is a website that generates mashups from any 2 videos selected from YouTube. There's no human involvement when it requires to make a mashup between these 2 songs, and the results of sound are usually low quality, but I find it's just a nice way of putting music together that you love, maybe songs that you think would work well together, or maybe just some songs that represent your childhood. We don't use this all the time, of course. It's a little bit more of a fun one for this list, but it's one that we like to put together, and we just like to see what it comes up with. Because it's an AI that's generating it, you'll be able to see maybe some beats or some tempos that you really didn't hear before, and putting them together just makes it a little bit more fun to listen to. So we hope you enjoyed today's video and are enjoying the festive season with your family and friends. We'll be gearing up for 2020, ready to give you regular videos 3 times a week. So that's all from VoiceOver Zoe. Make sure that you subscribe, you like and you comment and share the video around to your friends, maybe to give them a nice Christmas present of something that they would use in their business as well. Best of luck until 2020, and we'll see you then. Bye!